Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We are going to start with the chapter multiply decimals. And the lessons we are going to cover today are multiply many amounts word problems, multiply three or more numbers, one of which are decimal, multiply two decimals using grades, and multiply two decimals. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply many amounts word problems. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. The chapter name is multiply decimals, and I'm going to start with the lesson multiply many amounts word problems. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the first one is Carrie bought 5 mystery games. If each mystery game cost $9.92, how much did Carrie spend in all? You need to calculate the price of 5 mystery games. Got it? And the cost of the one game is $9.92. Got it? So let's just do 9.92 times 5. Got it? Let's just multiply the whole numbers. Let's suppose we don't have any decimal. Got it? Let's just multiply without decimals. 5 times 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 times 9 is 45 and 146, 6, 4 carry. 5 times 9 is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So here you have two decimal places. Got it? You have to move decimal point two places left. So it would be then 49.60. Got it? So the correct option is 49.60. Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do more practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. They are already solved. Got it? Okay, the next one is Eve bought 5 cookie cutters. Each cookie cutter cost $0.91. How much money did Eve spend? So you have to, the cost of one cutter is 0.91. You have to calculate the cost of 5 cutters. Got it? So you need to do 0.91 times 5. Got it? Let's just suppose we don't have any decimal. Let's just multiply the whole numbers. Got it? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. So here you have two decimal places. Got it? So you need to put a decimal, move decimal point two places left. So it would be 4.55. Got it? So the correct option is 4.55. The first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A box of raisins costs $0.71. How much do two boxes of raisins cost? You have to calculate the cost of two boxes. So you need to do 2 times 0.71. Got it? 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 7 is 14. Here you have two decimal places, so move decimal point two places left from here to here. It would be 1.42. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 1.42. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Yes, very good. Okay, the next one is if a plastic ring costs $0.64, how much would four plastic rings cost? So you have to calculate the cost of four plastic rings. So you need to do 0.64 times 4. Got it? So 4 times 4 makes 16. Write a 6 here and carry 1. 4 times 6 is 24 and 125. So you have to move decimal place 2 places left. So you have to move decimal point from here to here. It would be 2.56. Got it? Yes, Vijinder, you're right. Okay, so it would be 2.56 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Yes, Nadia, it is 2.56. Arjun buys 2 ink pads. Each ink pad costs $0.69. How much does Arjun spend? So you have to calculate the cost of 2 pads. You need to do 0.69 times 2. Got it? 2 times 9 is 18. Write 8 over here and carry 1. 2 times 6 is 12 and 1, 13. So put a decimal point 2 places left. So move it from here to here. It would be 1.38. Yes, very good. The correct option is 1.38. Very good, everyone. Okay, the next one is cans of pears cost 0.53 each. Joe buys 4 cans of pears. How much does Joe spend? So which is the correct option? I'm waiting for the answer from your side. You have to do 0.53 times 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 2.12. Option number 1 is the correct one. When you do 0.53 times 4, it would be 2.12. Very good. The correct option is option number 1. Diana works as a bus driver. She earned $9.20 per hour. If Diana works 10 hours, how much money will she earn? You have to do 9.20 times 10. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is $92. That means after working 10 hours, she will earn $92. Got it? Nadia, please don't guess the answers. Use your notebook and pencil and calculate the values. Excuse me. A jewelry box costs $7.66. How much would it cost for to buy 2 jewelry boxes? You have to calculate the value of 2 jewelry boxes, so you need to do 7.66 times 2. Got it? So which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 15.32. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the first lesson. Multiply three or more numbers, one of which is a decimal. Here I'm going to start with a new lesson. Okay, you have to multiply three numbers. Got it? 5.3 times 6 times 8. Let's just start with the example. 5.3 times 6 times 8. Multiply like two numbers first. Got it? Let's just multiply these two numbers and you know how to multiply these two numbers. Got it? Let's just multiply 5.3 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Write 8 and carry 1. 6 times 5 is 30 and 1 31. Got it? So you have one decimal place. That decimal place would be here. It would be 31.8. Got it? So 5.3 times 6 is 31.8. Now you have to multiply 31.8 times 8. Got it? So let's just multiply with 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Here you have 4, here you have 6. 8 times 1 is 8 and 6 14. Write 4 over here and carry 1. 8 times 3 is 24 and 1 25. So here you have just one decimal place. So you have to move decimal point one place left. So it would be 254.4. Got it? So that is the easiest way to multiply. Just multiply two numbers first, find their product and multiply the product by the third number. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, 5 times 8.8 times 9.4. You can do 5 times 8 first. It doesn't matter you do which two numbers multiply first. Got it? 5 times 8 is 40. Now you are going to do 40 times 9.4. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero values. I'm going to multiply 9.4 by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Write 6 here and carry 1. 4 times 9 is 36 and 137. You here have 1 0, just add a 0. You have one decimal place, move decimal place from here to here. It would be 376.0, or either you can write 376. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Is there any question up till now? Okay, you can ask question, Nadia. Be quick. Okay, so the correct option is 376. I'm waiting for the question from your side, Nadia. Okay, you're good. Let's just move on to next one. 376 is the correct option. The next one is 1.5 times 4 times 5. Just do 1.5 times 4 first. 4 times 5 is 20, 0, 2 carry, 4 times 1 is 4 and 2, 6. So you need to put a decimal point one place left. So it would be 6.0 times 5 or either 6 times 5. Got it? So 6 times 5 is 36 times 5 is 30. Okay, the next one is 5.5 times 2 times 7. So I'm going to do 2 times 7 first. Got it? It doesn't matter which two numbers I'm going to multiply first. Got it? Answer must be same in any case. Let's just multiply 5.5 times 14. But in this case, you have to do two-digit multiplication. Got it? 4 times 5 is 20, 0, 2 carry. 4 times 5 is 20 and 2, 22. We are going to multiply the tens digit, so just put a 0 right below the ones. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 5 is 5. 0, 7 and 7. So you have to put a decimal point one place left, so it would be 77.0 or 77. Got it? If you are not you are not good with multiplying two-digit numbers, just do 5.5 times 2 first. Got it? Because in this case, when you do 5.5 times 2 times 7, it would be 11. And 11 times 7 is 77. So that is the easier way. Got it? So the correct option is 77. Okay. The next one is 7 times 5.78 times 6. Let's just do 5.78 times 7 first. 7 times 8 is 56. 6 and 5 carry. 7 times 7 is 49 and 5. 54. 4 and 5 carry. 7 times 5 is 35 and 5 40. You have to put decimal point 2 place left. It would be 40.46 times 6. Got it? Let's just multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 and 3 carry. 6 times 4 is 24 and 3 27. 7 and 2 carry. 6 times 0 and 0 plus 2. 2. 6 times 4 is 24. So you have to put decimal point 2 place left. So it would be moved from here to here. So it is 242.76. Got it? Correct option is 242.76. Okay, now you can do the next one in your notebook and let me just know the answer. Which is the correct option? You can do the question in your notebook and just write down the answer in the chat box. Which is the correct option? I'm going to guess the answer. 9 times 5 is 45 and 45 times 8.59 is 386.55. Got it? That is the correct option. Oh, I guessed the answer. Right. Okay. 9 times 2.6 times 4. So which is the correct option? 9 times 4 is 36. And 36 times 2.6 is, it's okay. The correct option is 93.6. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the next lesson. And the next lesson is multiply two decimals using grades. Use the grid to fill in the missing number. You have to calculate the missing number. Got it? Just look at the columns that are shaded. The green one, here you have two complete columns are shaded. Got it? And it represents 2/10. That means 0.2. Out of the 100, just two of the rows are colored, so it represent 0.2. And the blue one is you have three of the rows are colored, it represents 0.3. So together green and blue color represents 0.2 times 0.3. That means they represent 0.06. Just look at the one that has both the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just six of the squares are the one that are colored both. That represents 0.06. Got it? We just need to understand the grid. That would be very easy. So it is 0.2 because two of the columns are colored. They are 0.2. Let's just start with the practice question. Okay, use the grid to fill in the missing number. Got it? Okay, just look at the grid. Here you have one of the column is colored. That represents just one of the column is colored. It represents 0.1. Got it? One, two, three. Three of the rows are colored. That represents 0.3. Got it? So when you multiply 0.1 times 0.3, that would be, just look at this one. Only three of the squares are colored. Got it? That means it is 0.03. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. The second one is 0.3. Got it? Okay, which is the missing number? 0.1, 1, which is the correct option? 0.8 or 0.6? Blue is just one row. It represents 0.1. The green color are six columns. So it represents 0.6. Got it? So the correct option is 0.6 times 0.1. That would equal 0.06. Use the grid to fill in the missing number. 0.5 times 0.3 equals, which is the correct option? 5 times 3 is 15. That would be 0.15. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Use the grid to fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? 0.4. The green represents 0.4 and the blue represents, just three of the rows are colored, so it represents 0.3. So missing number is, very good, 0.3. Use the grid to fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? Blue represents 0.7 and the red represents, yes, very good, it represents 0.2. Use the grid to fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? Both the colors, orange has 7 columns, yes, and yellow has also 7 rows. So it would be 0.7 times 0.7, because 7 times 7 makes 49, isn't it? Yes, it is the second one. You can count the rows and columns. Okay, 0.8 times 0.9, which is the correct option? 9 times 8 is 72. It would be 0.72. Got it? The correct option is 0.72. Use the grid to fill in the missing number. 0.9 times, which is missing. The blue represents 0.9 and the green represents just 5 rows. So it is 0.5. Got it? So that means the missing one is 0.5. Use the grid to fill in the missing number. 0.8 times. Yes, that would be 0.5. 0.8 times 0.5 makes 0.4. Okay, 0.4 times 0.9 equals 9 times 4 is 36. That would be 0.36. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is multiply two decimals. Now both the numbers are decimals. Got it? We're going to multiply decimals. Got it? The first one is 0.9 times 0.6. So let's just multiply them without the decimal point. Got it? 0.6 it is. Zero point 0.7. Zero point 0.9 times zero point 0.7. Okay. Let's just multiply without decimal. 9 times 7 is 36. So this one has one decimal place and this one has one decimal place. That means their product must have two decimal places. Got it? So you need to move decimal point two places left from here to 9 times 7 is 63. Move decimal point from here to here. It would be 0.63. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. They are very easy. You just multiply the numbers without decimal and then you have to learn here is how to put a decimal point. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option? 0.6 times 0.8. So which is the correct option? Just multiply the numbers without decimal. Got it? 8 times 6 is 48. Got it? You need to put a decimal point. So both the digits have one decimal place. Yes, it would be 0.48. Okay, 0.9 times 0.3, which is the correct option? 9 times 3 is 27. You need to put decimal point two places left, so it would be 0.27. Very good, which in there it is 0.27. 0.3 times 0.6, so which is the correct option? 6 times 3 makes, yes, 18. It would be 0.18. Got it? So the correct option is 0.18. 0.5 times 0.3, so which is the correct option? Yes, 5 times 3 is 15. It would be 0.15. Very good. 0.6 times 0.1, so which is the correct option? 6 times 1 is 6, and you need to put decimal point two places left, so it would be very good, 0.06. No, not 0.06, just two places left. It would be 0.06, which in the 0.5 times 0.9. Yes, it is 0.45. 0.1 times 0.4. Oh, it's okay. 0.1 times 0.4. 0.04 it is. Got it. 0.3 times 0.4. So which is the correct option? 4 times 3 is 12. That would be 0.12. Got it. Very good. 0.5 times 0.4. So which is the correct option? 5 times 4 is 20. It would be 0.2. 0.8 times 0.2. Yes, it is 0.2. 0.8 times 0.2. It is 0.16. Got it? 0.7 times 0.4 is, yes, it is 0.28. 7 times 4 is 28, so it is 0.28. 0.2 times 0.7, that is 0.14. Got it? The next one is 0.2 times 0.4. So which is the correct option? 4 times 2 is, it would be 0.08. Got it? 0.6 times 0.5. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 0.3. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on the grade 5 maths. The chapter we were working on is multiply decimals. And the lessons we have covered today are multiply many amounts, word problems, multiply three or more numbers, one of which is a decimal, multiply two decimals using grids, and multiply two decimals. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask if you have any question. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.